Hey, Josh with Training Hands Academy here. I'm having a Black Friday sale on my beginners routers course. Plus, I'm giving away a brand new router to one lucky winner. Starting with the beginners routers course, this course contains over 3 hours of video training, downloadable documents, and includes unlimited access to me within the course for all your questions and project needs. What makes this course different than most is that it's actually not project-based, but skills-based. Yes, it's nice to be able to learn how to build a project, but if you don't master the skills and the techniques needed to be able to use the tools first, then you're going to be limited to what you can successfully and skillfully build in the future. And because tools are important, I'm giving away a Dewalt trim router, the same one I use to hand carve letters and shapes into our projects. The routers course is now on sale until November the 25th. All you have to do to enter a chance then to win the awesome router is leave a comment below. And then on November the 29th, I'll randomly choose one of those comments as the winner, and I'll pin that winner's name in the pinned comment below this video. This is for US residents only. I cannot ship out of the US at this time. So you need to do two things. First, leave a comment below to enter a chance to win the router, and then use the links below as well to head off to my website to take advantage of that 50% off sale. Good luck to everyone, and I hope to see you in the course.